So let's think about concatenation first. I'm going to organize our files by type here so we can see all of our JavaScript files in a list. So in order to concatenate all of these, we need to open up each one of these files, copy all of the code that goes into them, and paste it into a new file. So we might start by going to our directory for our project and creating a new file to hold all of the JavaScript. So let's create a folder, and we'll call it JS for JavaScript. And then in here, let's create a new file called alljs.js. Let's open this up in our editor. And then first, we're going to need jquery.js. So let's look at where we're getting that. So I'll go and navigate to the top here. So we have it in Bower Components, jQuery, dist, jQuery.js. So let's go back to the main directory for our site, and we'll expand Bower Components, jQuery, then dist, and jQuery.js. So we'll open that up, and we would copy all of this and paste it into our alljs.js file. Okay, hopefully you're already feeling like this is kind of a bad idea. And now for each additional JavaScript file, our next one would be in Bower Components microplugin source microplugin.js. Let's do just one more to anchor just how time consuming this is. Okay, so microplugin source microplugin.js. All right, and then we'll copy everything. We'll go to our alljs.js and we'll paste that in. We'll save it. And then we would just continue this process, let's see, 5 more times. Now, if we only needed to do this once, that's not such a big deal. But if we ever decide to upgrade any of these JavaScript libraries, then we would need to do this all over again. And at some point, you will begin to hate the process.